Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today we'll show you exactly how to fix SHEIN Puppy Keep expired issues quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Grab your phone and open the Settings app. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app's drawer. The Settings app lets you control everything on your phone, so this is where we'll begin. Step 2. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the Apps option. This is where all the installed apps on your phone are listed, and tapping on it will open a menu showing them all. Step 3. From this list, you can either scroll down or use the search bar at the top. Type in SHEIN and search for the app. When it appears, select it to open its details. Step 4. Now scroll down inside the app details until you see storage options. Tap on Storage and you will find two buttons, Clear Data and Clear Cache. Tap both of these options to clear the stored data and cache for the SHEIN app. This can often fix expired issues by removing corrupted files. After this, check if the problem is resolved. If not, don't worry, we'll move on to the next step. Step 5. Go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type SHEIN and search for the app again. This is important because sometimes the issue is due to an outdated app version. Step 6. Now, select the app. If you see an update button on the SHEIN app page, tap it to download and install the latest version. Updating can fix bugs and errors causing the app to expire. If you don't see an update option, try uninstalling the app instead by tapping uninstall and confirming. Once it's removed, hit the install button to download a fresh copy. This method often fixes any lingering issues and gets your app working properly again. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.